Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Toyota Land Cruiser. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked and running. Next, grab your mobile device and turn on its Bluetooth function. Then, navigate to your Land Cruiser's audio system and locate the Setup or Settings menu. This is where we'll begin the pairing process. Once in the audio system settings, select the Bluetooth option. You'll then want to choose Add New Device or Pair Device to initiate the search. At this point, your Land Cruiser's system becomes discoverable to your phone. Keep an eye on your phone's Bluetooth list for your vehicle's name to appear, usually Toyota Land Cruiser or a similar identifier. Now, on your phone, select your Land Cruiser's name from the list of available Bluetooth devices. Both your phone and the car's display should show a matching pairing code. Confirm this code on both screens to finalize the connection. Your device should now indicate it's successfully connected, and you're ready to enjoy hands-free audio. If you encounter any issues, try deleting old pairings from both your phone and the car's system. A simple restart of both your mobile device and the Land Cruiser's infotainment system can often resolve minor glitches. For more specific guidance, always refer to your Toyota Land Cruiser's owner's manual, which provides detailed instructions for your exact model.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.